Afcat 2023 Phase 2 Admit Card will be released on 10th August 2023 today. Candidates can download the Afcat 2023 hall ticket from the official website at afcat.cdac.in. The step-by-step procedure to download Afcat 2023 Admit Card is given below. Step 1. Candidates have to visit the official website of Afcat for downloading the hall ticket. Step 2. The login page will be redirected to the screen where the candidates have to give the credentials in order to log into their accounts. Step 3. Once the candidates get successfully logged in, they should click on Generate Admit Card and the Afcat Admit Card 2023 will be displayed on the screen. Step 4. Lastly, the candidates have to download Afcat Admit Card 2023, print it, and should carry it to the exam center with ID proof. The details mentioned on Afcat Admit Card 2023 are as follows. Name of the candidate, date of birth, gender, Aadhaar card number. Email ID, mobile number, exam center address, time of the exam. And important guidelines. Thank you for watching. For more information, click on the link in the description and check out our website at www.getmyuni.com.